Imagine a world where technology doesn't just assist you, it understands you. A world where your ideas come to life faster, your work becomes more efficient, and your creativity knows no bounds. This is the promise of Google Gemini 2.0, the next evolution in AI-powered tools designed to transform the way we live, work, and create. Google Gemini 2.0 is here, and it's more powerful, intuitive, and versatile than ever before. Building on the foundation of its predecessor, Gemini 2.0 introduces groundbreaking features that redefine what AI can do for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're a writer crafting the next best-selling novel, a designer pushing the boundaries of visual art, a programmer coding the next big app, or a marketer strategizing your next campaign, Gemini 2.0 is your ultimate partner. Let's dive into the key updates that make Gemini 2.0 a game changer. First, Gemini 2.0 boasts enhanced natural language understanding. It doesn't just process words, it grasps context, tone, and intent. This means more accurate responses, smarter suggestions, and a seamless conversational experience. From summarizing lengthy documents to generating creative content, Gemini 2.0 understands your needs like never before. Next, Gemini 2.0 introduces advanced multimodal capabilities. It can now process and generate text, images, audio, and even video, all in one platform. Need a logo for your startup or a video ad for your new product? Gemini 2.0 has you covered. Collaboration just got smarter. Gemini 2.0 now supports real-time collaboration, allowing teams to work together seamlessly no matter where they are. With features like live editing, instant feedback, and intelligent task management, Gemini 2.0 ensures your team stays productive and aligned. Gemini 2.0 takes personalization to the next level. It learns your preferences, work style, and goals, becoming a truly personalized AI assistant. Whether you need a formal business report or a casual blog post, Gemini 2.0 adapts to your unique style. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Gemini 2.0 is built with enhanced security and privacy features to protect your data and ensure compliance with global standards. Your creativity and productivity are safe with Gemini 2.0. From students acing their assignments to entrepreneurs launching their dreams, Gemini 2.0 is empowering people across the globe to achieve more. Gemini 2.0 isn't just a tool, it's a partner. It's here to amplify your potential, unlock your creativity, and help you navigate the complexities of the modern world. And this is just the beginning. Google is already working on the Gemini 2.0 ecosystem, integrating it with smart devices, wearables, and even augmented reality platforms. The future of AI is here, and it's called Gemini 2.0. So, are you ready to embrace the future? Explore Google Gemini 2.0 and discover what's possible when technology truly understands you.